Hello, grade 5. Welcome, dear students, to our first math session. I'm Miss Sarah. I'm going to teach you mathematics. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to start with lesson 2, decimal numeration system, which is page 15. The objective of this lesson, at the end of this chapter, you will be able to construct and use the table of decimal numeration. In January 2016, astronomers announced that they believe they have found evidence of a giant planet orbiting the Sun at a distance of about a big number, miles. The planet has been nicknamed Planet 9 or Planet X. How do you write the word name of this number? How can we read this number? It's a very big number. Let's watch this video.
Math Coach presents How to Read Big Numbers. We use big numbers to describe great distances, like the average distance from Earth to the Moon. That's about 238,857 miles. The average distance from Earth to the Sun is even more, about 92,520,000 miles.
A very big number.
Reading big numbers might seem hard, but hey, guess what? If you can read small numbers like these and know the names of the periods, you can read any big number with ease. Here are some things you need to know. Each period has a name: ones, thousands, millions, billions, and so on. Each period can have up to 3 digits, and we use commas to show where each period ends. Let's make this number easier to read by putting in the commas to show the periods. Start at the right. Count off 3 digits, put in a comma. Continue in the same way until all the digits are in groups of 3 or fewer. Now we're ready to read the number. Start reading at the left. Read the part before the comma. At the comma, pause and say the period. Continue in the same way for each group of digits until you've read the whole number. Let's try it together. 92,520,364. See? When you know how to do it, reading big numbers is easy.
Okay, now we are going to talk about some keywords, which are digits. Digits are numbers that we use them like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We use these digits to make big numbers. Place value. Place value tells you which each digit is standing for. Let's talk about periods. What are the periods of this number? Do you know what are the periods? Starting from the right, the first period is units. Excellent. The second one is thousands. Excellent. The third one is million. And the fourth one is billion. Good for you. Remember that each period has 3 place values or 3 digits, which are ones, tens, and hundreds. Let's see. The first period has 3 digits, the second one also that, the third one millions, ones, tens, and hundred. The last one, it could be 3 or below, which is the billion. It has only ones and tens. Now we want to put this number in a place value chart. Look to this place value chart. It has 4 periods, which are ones period, thousands period, millions period, and billions period. Note that the ones period also we can say that unit period, the first one to the right. Look at the commas. We use commas to separate the digits of each period. We start from right to left, count 3 digits and put a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, put a comma. So the number will be easier to read and to deal with it. Okay, we have to put the commas. Now, what is the place value of the yellow number in this number? The yellow number is in the billion period and it is the tens digit. So 5 is excellent. It is 10 billion. What is the place value of this yellow one? Excellent, 10 million. Now, what is the place value of the digit 8? Don't forget that, starting from right, the first period is unit, the second period is thousand. 8 is in the hundreds thousand. Nine, what is the place value of it? It is in the thousand period, the first one, so we can say 1000 or thousand. Five is in the millions period, the second digit is 10 millions. Good for you. Oh, this is a big number. What is the place value of 3? Don't forget, the first one is unit. The second period is thousand. The third one is million. The fourth one is billion. So 3 is 10 billion. So, this is the end of session 1. Goodbye, dear students. You are going to have a homework. Please try to understand and study the lesson and solve the homework on your copybook. Bye bye.